Alright, so it's your boy Money Man Ron, man. I'm about to take off this fuel pump setup. It really didn't work too much for me. My RPMs are not going up. It's harder to start and it won't even idle now. So we're gonna see what we can do about that. Change up a few things and see if we can get the bike running back properly how we had it before. Cause the way it is now is not making your boy happy. Like, I can't even stop and let the bike idle now, man. It's horrible. Maybe the fuel pump will help when I go for this next mod, but as of right now, it's not helping your boy. Fuel pump is garbage. Ooh, I don't know if I can see that. Fuel pump is garbage for me.
I'm calling, maybe I'm selfish. I want you to myself, I can't help it. All mine, yeah, maybe I'm selfish. You're my ladies and I can't. Maybe I'm selfish. I want you to myself, I can't help it. Be with no one, yeah, but me, yeah, baby. To my thick chicks down in Texas, all the way to New Orleans where the girls cook catfish. And in LA, every chick's an actress. Hollywood status with the shaded glasses. To Detroit, yeah.
Boom. Alright, so now we about to get to taking off the fuel pump. It's really just, I got the hoses I need right here. Gotta swap the hose that goes underneath the fuel tank. Simple as turning off the petcock, making this go right there so it's back to gravity feed, and just making this go right back to right there so it's back to gravity feed. Should be pretty quick, pretty simple. Go from there. So get to taking off this side cover, then we could take off the fuel tank. So let's get to it. Okay, so the reason why I need a screwdriver and this lube is because we gotta ream it. We gotta ream it. It's not small, but it's not a very big diameter either inside of this. So use some lube, stick a screwdriver in there just to get it opened up some in there a few times. There we go. Grab the rag, clean it up. So now fuel pump is taken off. Got it back to looking how it was before. Yeah, back to looking how it was before. So we're gonna start it and see what happens from there. Boom. All right, back to the G Brizzo. All right. So y'all see, it works. It was the fuel pump issue, and now we're mainly back to normal now. About to take it back in the house, call it a day for right now. Got some customers to go see. I'll see y'all later. Money Man out. Boom.